What you try to do?
I'm trying to remove this wood.
You try to remove that wood. Oh wow! Careful.
Do you can do this side? Kenneth, you can do this side. This side. Kenneth, do this side. The back. The back.
On the back, yep. Oh yeah, you can use in the back too. Whoa, 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 whoa.
So foggy.
So foggy. What make foggy?
Yo, I threw it and I made it skin
The wood.
on the branch.
Oh.
This is soft tree because
No. You like soft tree?
yes.
Okay. Careful, okay? Oh wow. You're getting hot now. Nope, don't hit that one.
This is alive.
Yep, there's a live. We love tree. We're not breaking the alive tree, okay? Oh wow. You two have fun to chopping wood. Or you sit down, relax. Okay. Wow, look.
Oh,
Wow, you guys.
on top of the wood.
Oh, careful with his head. Move, Ethan. Whoa. Wow. Wow. A big chunk. I think I might take this chunk
Orange.
to the fire.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Look, it's orange.
It's on. What make it on?
The tree.
The tree?
Wait a minute. Grab my bare hand.
Kenan, take that one. We bring to the fire.
What's that?
It's too heavy. Just grab that hand. Grab that out. Nope, don't grab that thing. Grab the branch. Grabbing the branch. Grab close to the tree. Close to the tree. Yep, like nope. That one or this one. Grab here.
I think it's really hard.
Try it to see. It's too. Oh wow. Okay. Oh. Okay. Ethan, we're gonna take this one. Go. Now we got it.
Ooh, the wasp. Ooh.
Ooh. Then don't pound. Okay. We got this one. Where we go? Go this way. Go this way. Ethan, I got that. Oh wow, you got that one? Okay. Go this way. You know where the camping is? Oh. This one too heavy too. Oh. Wow, your hand's so. Okay. You want to show to your mom and then that you're pounding a big old wood in the wood. Okay. Wow. Hold down there. Hold little down. Okay.
What if the next day we will have some fish?
Oh.